AI represents such a tectonic shift for employees and businesses to accelerate the impact of what they do, whether you're an employee and you want to be more productive or whether you want to change the business that you're in. So there's no such thing as being too late for this. You've got to start now. I'm Oliver Parker. I lead our generative AI go-to-market globally for Google Cloud. It's going to drive such massive economic impact for people, as well as such important societal things like healthcare and government. And we're seeing lots of that adoption starting to take place, especially in public sector. So we see this really as the next big wave of innovation that every company and every employee, and quite frankly, every human should start to adopt. What's different about Google is we obviously have an incredibly large client base, but we also have a history of innovation. And when you start to think about the implementation of AI, and you think about Google as a company, we've been an AI-first company for a very long period of time. When you think about our mission statement in terms of organizing the world's information and making it universally accessible and useful, that is fundamentally a data and AI mission statement. We have infrastructure for people that want to go build to our AI infrastructure. We then have VO, we have our Gemini models, we have other models like Lyria and Chirp that are sort of very specific to certain tasks. So we have a full suite of model, whether it's general purpose, right the way through to that. We then have a platform so developers can go build on that platform, but take advantage of not just our models, but anybody else's models. And then we're starting to build these capabilities that you'll hear obviously a lot more about around agents. And we've got these agent-based capabilities, as well as now a new product called AgentSpace, which is really directed at enterprises for their employees. It's really around automating and starting to sort of automate lots of new things to be done versus question and then answer, which is obviously how a lot of this AI started, with sort of very much you ask a question to a chatbot and you get an answer. Now what you're seeing is sort of sequences of tasks or memory or planning, so you can start to see sort of the intelligence show up, so you're doing more and more. A dramatic rise in employees starting to use AI as it relates to what they do on a daily basis. That's the first. The second thing is with the capability of these models, the accuracy that's starting to come from these models, I think you're going to start to see lots more external interactions with systems that are AI-based systems.